In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in italics on WhatsApp Web. This is a handy skill to add a little emphasis to your messages or simply to make your words stand out in a conversation. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you feel confident using this feature. First, you'll need to open a chat. Head over to WhatsApp Web, which should already be set up on your browser. If you need a refresher on how to do that, make sure your phone is connected to the internet and scan the QR code on web.whatsapp.com using your mobile app to log in. Once you're in, you can choose the individual or group chat where you'd like to send your italicized message. Now, type your message. In the chat window, you'll see the message box where you typically enter your text. Go ahead and type out the message that you want to send. It could be anything. A simple greeting, a sentence from a favorite book, or perhaps some information you want to highlight for your recipient. Here's the important part. To italicize your text, you need to add a little formatting marker. This is done by placing underscores at the beginning and at the end of the text you want to appear in italics. It's simple yet effective. For example, if you want to italicize the sentence "this text will appear in italics," you would type it like this. Underscore, this text will appear in italics. And then underscore again. So your message would look like, this text will appear in italics. Take a moment to review your message carefully. Make sure those underscores are directly hugging the words you want to italicize, with no extra spaces in between. Paying attention to these little details will ensure your message is formatted just the way you want it. Once you've double-checked that everything looks good, hit the send button. Your recipient will see the words you encased in underscores appear in italics, making your message stand out just a bit more. It adds a touch of personality and emphasis without overwhelming your reader. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to format text in italics on WhatsApp Web. Remember, these formatting tricks can enhance your communication subtly yet effectively. It's a simple tool that can be used in various ways, whether you're highlighting an important point in a study group chat or just want to add emphasis to a personal message. Practice a few times, and soon enough, using italics will become second nature.